Welcome back, guys, to a new live day trading episode. My name is Julius. I hope you're well. We are back in the S&P 500 future. Right off the bat, please make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in live trading. I upload a new trading session every Saturday. Okay, market opened here 10 seconds ago. We are in a range. The lows are at the 119. The market is so freaking volatile. You really can't imagine. So it's not too easy getting into a position today. So the lows are at the 119, and usually I enter like 2 or 3 points earlier. That would already be here. Look at that, guys. What the hell is today? This little glimpse of this candle wick down here is already 3 points. Why is that? Because we are in a crash. We are in a market crash. This is really a crashing market the last few days. Look at that. This is today's pre-market. This is Friday. This is Thursday. And since Thursday, we sold off approximately 500 points in the S&P 500, guys. This is a crashing market that we try to trade here today, that we try to make money in, and it's actually very dangerous. So right off the bat, I can give you some tips on what to do in such a volatile, dangerous situation. First of all, you can try to trade a little safer. So in this case, really wait for a double bottom here, not entering too early. We do not want to have the biggest stop loss ever just because the market, like one candle currently is 20 points. Or guys, this is, I can't believe it. Usually I enter in a 20-point range. Okay, so from its tops to its lows, this pre-market daily range is usually about 20 points. Today, one candle already is 20 points. I can't find any words. This daily range, now get ready, guys, is 200 points wide. I don't know if I should even trade here today. So what we can do is step a little back on the trading size. I'm still not quite decided yet, but this is definitely something you should consider here. Going back on the trading size. Trading less contracts in such a hyper volatile environment. This is hyper volatile. I think I never in my about 4 to 5 years trading experience traded in such a hyper volatile environment where one candle, one 5-minute candle, not an hourly candle or whatever, it's a 5-minute candle, is approximately 20 points. This is beyond crazy. This is beyond crazy. Let me show that to you. Let's go back a few days. So this is usually the usual trading environment. And when the market opened here, we had from its lows to its highs 40-point range. And this was quite big already, okay? Today, a 200-point range. Wow. I do not even know what I should trade here. I want to trade my usual approach, meaning selling the highs, buying the lows, as always, trading the range. But this is really dangerous. So maybe instead of trading 5 micro contracts here today, which would equal to $25 per point, we should maybe try to trade 3 micro contracts, which would equal to $15 a point. I'm not totally convinced, because if this should turn out as a beautiful winning day, of course I would be mad at myself for lowering my position size. Because if I would trade 5 micro contracts here and I would be able to catch 100 points or something, I can profit very, very big. But we should also consider the dangerous aspect of this hyper volatile market if I catch 2 or 3 losses here, which is totally normal in my approach. First trade oftentimes is a loser, and then I reverse the position. If this would happen here with 5 micro contracts, this could immediately evolve into a very big loser. So maybe today I should only trade 3 contracts. So let's go back and enter a 3 here. I will now watch the volatility very closely. Now this candle only has a body of 7 points, which is a little more normal, okay? But if the volatility should stay around the 20-point candle bodies, then I really shouldn't trade 5 micro contracts. I never did that. I never lowered my position size because of a volatile market. On some days the market is a little more volatile, and then the winners or the losers are a little bigger than on other days, but that's like usual business. But on such an exceptional trading day, I think I might have to do it, because it wouldn't be anywhere in my risk measurements to trade this amount of contracts with this amount of points that might be captured here or lost here, okay? This wouldn't anywhere be in my risk measurements. So the account window is activated for you guys once we get into a position. This could take a while. I mean, usually the market is already near the lows, but if you measure the points, we are 50 points away. Guys, I cannot believe it. The market sold off almost 500 points, and today over 200 points alone. Pre-market session before the US opening, it's beyond anything I ever saw. So this is the biggest and the fastest crash since the COVID crisis. And I think it's very interesting to record it and to really trade through those days. Because in theory, we could earn a lot here. We could make a lot of money through those volatile trading sessions. But usually I'm risk loving, but in those situations, I'm probably a little more risk averse than I usually are. Okay, enough talk. I think we have to wait for the market to get to one of our point of interests. Let's see how long that will take. And if I even want to trade today. Okay, maybe I just want to take a look at here and then decide that this is not for me here today. Let's wait together. Okay guys, so I'm waiting for over 1 hour now and the market is still in the middle of this range, and I decided that I will end this live trading session soon because I really am not in the mood of trading this hyper volatile market. Okay, we can analyze together what is really going on here for a sec, because those days are really rare and exceptional. So if I would trade later in the evening, then I will only trade 3 micro contracts. That's plenty. That's still probably too much for this volatility. Now, since the opening, the market opened right here. We are currently 50 points higher. This is insane, even though we are still in the middle of this range. And I want to take a look at the footprint chart with you together to really see what's going on here. Look at how I'm not even able to fit the footprint in this window because the candles are so exceptionally big. So usually I would like to look at the candles like this. Okay, but there are so many price levels, so I have to really zoom in to see all of the different contracts that are being traded, and then the candles are just like way over my monitor. It's insane today. I wanted to see what the volume says at the opening. 60,000 contracts have been traded. It's insane here. The delta, probably usual delta here. The delta has a difference between the active long contracts and the active short contracts that have been traded. So of course the delta will not be significantly different from a usual day, but the over volatility, look at that. In the last like 10 seconds, the market bought back about 10 points. It's crazy. I never saw something like that ever before. So I think it's interesting to look at and to analyze a little bit. For now, I'm probably not gonna trade this day. It's just too dangerous here. Let's wait until the market finds its flow again. Until then, I'm here to spectate. I'm here to watch and to analyze. And currently, it's not even possible to analyze the footprint chart because the candles are so big. We got here a little absorption that held for a few minutes, and then once the absorption finally sustainably broke, the market immediately made another 30 points or so. It's really crazy. So we are right in the middle of my daily range. 90 points to the bottom, 120 to the top, 130 to the top. Definitely crazy. And of course I could have captured a lot of points if I would have been able to really buy immediately at the market open. I would have already been 60 points in profit. That is so freaking much. But this is not my strategy. I will hold on to my strategy no matter what, no matter if the market is rising, falling, or going in circles. I don't care. But today, maybe the danger is a little too big. Let's see how the flow of the market continues for the day. Maybe we get to one of our point of interest in several hours. For now, it doesn't look like it. And it's no surprise. It's not that easy to trade 130 points. Yeah, this could take a while. So therefore, I will end this live trading session. But nevertheless, even though I did not make any trades here, this should be a lesson to you. Sometimes the best thing you can do is to not trade at all, to watch on those exceptional days where everything is completely different than usual. Then maybe your strategy that works on a usual day might not work on such an exceptional day. Okay, so this is my reminder for you guys. Always check what the fundamental movement of the market is today. Is something crazy going on? Then maybe you should adjust a little bit. Okay, lower your contract size or not trade at all, or trade a different strategy, trade a different approach. This is a lesson lesson you should take with you from this video, and we'll see us in the next live trading session. Hopefully the market will be a little calmer, a little calmed down, and then we can trade again. Thank you guys for watching. Write down in the comments what you think about this exceptional day. Did you trade during this market crash already on Thursday, on Friday? What did you do here? It's so crazy. It's the 5th of August here. You're probably gonna see this video only in 2 weeks or something, but because I'm only uploading every Saturday now. But I would really be interested what you guys think about the sell-off. And maybe once you see this video, you know how the market turns out, if we are selling off further or if the market stabilizes again. We'll see. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next episode. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye.